Carly's hiding because she wants to tell him.
Wow, look.
Hiding behind the TV.
Yeah, she's hiding behind the TV. Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh, she's already raging on there.
I'm gonna go to like a party.
You're gonna... William, get down here. We got something to tell you.
Okay. He asked for it.
What are we gonna do? I'm gonna take care of this problem. Oh my gosh, you're turning it off again?
Oh, I'm gonna do more than that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, watch this shit.
William! William!
What the hell is he doing up there? What? What's that?
What's going on down there? You know what? I don't even want to talk to you for anything like that. What's going on down there? The glass is gone. No, stay. No, because you're not.
You can't even see his eyes.
Don't you hit my hand like that! Don't you do that! I had some good news for you, and I don't think I'm going to tell you now. I don't know if you deserve it. Yet. No. Stop arguing. No. No. Get off.
No.
Don't do that. Oh my God.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Here it is. Here it is. Oh, look at Will.
No, jerk. That's what you get. You won't listen to us. Well, William, talk to my precious internet. Oh, you wouldn't listen. William, we wanted to tell you something. You just wouldn't listen.
Well, that's the old internet. But now they got the Comcast Business
You
Internet.
need to be nicer. Come here for a minute. Come here. You don't even deserve this, but come here. Come here. William, come here. No, William.
Damn, William.
William, come here. William, come here.
There it is.
William, come here. Look.
That fast talking about it.
Look.
Come on now.
William, get over here and look. Get over here. Come just look at this for a minute. Look. William, look. William, come here. No, seriously, get over here and look. William, no, seriously, stop it. William, stop. William, stop. Look. What? Look.
And look at him. He's like,
We're already an hour.
Do you know what that is? I guess you know what that is, don't you? What's that noise? Comcast Internet. Yes!
wow. So excited.
I tried to tell you this all along. You know what, though? The way you acted, I'm tempted to turn it off.
Wow.
I'm tempted to turn it off. William,
Better say you're sorry, boy.
if you don't say you're sorry, I'm going to go downstairs and turn it off.
Sorry, where are all these Ethernet cords plugged into here?
I rewired your Ethernet cords. You can put one in the computer and one in your Xbox and your other, if you still, you plug it into all your internet devices.
Oh, man!
You know what, though? I really don't like the way you acted.
Me neither.
I really want you to have a give me. Do you have a more sincere apology for me? Are you really sorry? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. get some steps. I can. Oh. Oh. Wow, you hugged me? Let's see how fast. Should probably tell your dad you're sorry too.
His screen.
Oh my god. We don't have 3 megabit per second internet anymore.
Wow, he's happy about that.
Oh my god. It's the best game of my life. You have no idea how long I've been waiting.
Go shout down the steps, tell your dad you're sorry for the way you acted.
Yeah.
Dad, I'm sorry. I love you.
Did you hear him? He said he loves you.
Mom, look at this. Look at this. Mom, look at this.
But you love him too, right?
Yes, I do.
Of course you do.
Want me to look? What? I can't see. Move over. Move over. 605
Wow,
megabytes
it's
per
going
second.
fast.
How much was it before? How much was it before?
No. It was at 100.
Oh, not
it
per
was at
second.
180 megabytes per second.
Oh, it's here. It was at 100. Now it was before. Okay, but it was at 100. And what was it before? Or before we had new
And I
internet?
think Xbox slows down downloads to let you play games.
So what was it before?
It's 3 megabits per second.
3. It's slowing down.
Mm-hmm.
So it wasn't a. Okay, it's going back up again.
It's almost at a gigabyte.
Wow. That's whiny.
So now you need to learn when I have something to tell you to listen. Okay?
It's almost like it's at 900 megabytes already. 900. 900. 900.
Well,
Can you believe that?
he's been informed.
Why can you believe that? Oh my goodness.
Oh, I can't believe it.
Oh, why me neither? It's at a gigabyte. It's at a gigabyte. It's at a gigabyte.
Wow, it's going fast.
1,000 megabytes.
Wow.
It's
All right, William.
I can't believe this.
I know you're excited.
Never freaking internet. I can't believe this. It's so hard to hook up series and record.
But just so you know, this isn't just for you. I mean, it is for you, but it's also for our YouTube.
I know, but this internet is so fast. We can. I can
Because we-
Xbox your music computer.
It's also better.
I can use my laptop. I can use my TV. I can use my Xbox 360. I can.
Yes, and it's also it's for YouTube too. It's to help us do our YouTube.
Yep.
One, and it happens to benefit you also so good. Man, you're happy.
That's what I'm talking about.
Man.
I can't wait to play games.
All right.
What a happy ending.
All right. Now you know why I had something to tell you. I want you to pick up the stuff downstairs that you dropped, that you threw down,
Alright,
okay?
thank you everybody. Subscribe,
But you'll pick up the stuff downstairs, right?
like,
Will you?
yes.
All right. Yeah. Click the like button, subscribe, and hit the little bell. Check out Violette's second. All right. Thanks for watching. Sorry, it was a little bit crazy. All right.
I want to reboot the old sitcoms.
I will be reacting to more Violet First videos in the future of them with the Comcast Business Internet. It's been 5 years since they had that shit, and they still have it 5 years later. That wraps up my reaction to Build Chainsaws the Router from Violet First. If you're new here, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell for my next video reaction. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. What are your thoughts about this video from Violet First, looking back on it 5 years later? I'll be back later tonight to reminisce 21 years of The Rock singing Happy Birthday to Stephanie McMahon from the September 24th, 2001 edition of Raw is War.